everyone! So today I'm going to be doing a hair video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Irresistible Me Jade brush. I have reviewed a ton of their products, so really excited to be working with them again. This brush is super awesome. You literally brush up your hair and it straightens it while brushing it. Like, can you ask for anything more? My favorite personal thing, and I've said this in all my videos, is how fast they heat up. Like, you will literally go from 0 to like 450 degrees, which is like the highest amount most of them go to, in like 30 seconds. Like, it's crazy because I'm always running late, so I will turn my curling irons on, go back, figure out what I'm wearing, get dressed, and it's already like heated up. It's literally awesome. I love how quickly these heat up. And they have the automatic shut off, which is great because when I leave the house and I'm in a hurry, I don't have to worry about did I turn my curling iron off, because I know even if I didn't, it'll turn off on its own. So those are my personal favorite aspects of Irresistible Me products. But I will kind of be going over just like a few things about this specific Jade brush. Got the fast heat up, like I mentioned. The auto shut off, like I mentioned. It's got universal voltage, which is great, especially, you know, if you're from somewhere internationally other than the US, or, you know, if you travel. It's got the LCD digital display, which I really like. So it's, you know, this little screen right here, you turn it on, and that'll show you everything, which I personally really like. But it has a range of temperatures, which is really nice. So the highest it'll go up to is 450. It's really very easy to use. There's literally a power button, plus and a minus. So this one is very simple. It's got an 8-foot cord, which is pretty good length. I've got mine plugged in over here to my wall, so I feel like their cords are actually really long, which is super nice. It has a 360-degree cord, which I personally love because I can't tell you how many curling irons I have had to replace because they don't have a 360-degree cord, because if they don't turn, then when you turn them, it like gets the cord all twisted and it breaks. And I've had to replace so many Hot Tools curling irons for that reason. So I love that it has a 360-degree cord. Not only is it easier whenever you're curling your hair, but it doesn't get twisted and break. So honestly, like, definitely one of my favorite things about it as well. There's no hair damage, and it says the perfect bristle distance. So they've made sure that everything on this is absolutely perfect to where it doesn't rip out your hair, which it doesn't. You can see there's absolutely no hair in it. I did not lose any hair in the process of straightening my hair. I've got a few more facts here that I will read to you. The heating surface is made of quality ceramic and tourmaline, and the bristles are designed to have the perfect thickness, and they are placed at the perfect distance to make sure the hair doesn't snag. The ultra-fast recovery technology maintains a constant high temperature during use, while the tourmaline infusion emits rich amount of negative ions to moisturize and hydrate your hair. I knew I wouldn't summarize that very good, so yeah, my hair definitely feels very soft. It doesn't feel like dry and damaged after I'm done using the products. Like, it definitely feels really healthy and soft, which is definitely something I've noticed with their products, which is one of the reasons I prefer to use their products. I have a million straightening and curling irons, but I love my Irresistible Me for the fact that it makes my hair feel nice after use and it heats up really fast. Those are like my favorite things. And the 360-degree cord is pretty nice as well. Also do have a discount code for you guys. It's a 20% off discount code for your first order on the website. So whether you buy this straightening iron, the what's it called, the curling wand set, it comes with like 8 different ones, which is one of my personal favorite products. And this Jade brush is really cool as well. So whatever you get, it can be hair extensions, anything, your first order on the website will be 20% off. Definitely recommend this to somebody who has curly hair, and for me, I never straighten my hair because it's such a struggle and it takes so long. So if you're somebody with curly hair that doesn't like to wear your hair curly, this would be great because it is a very fast way to straighten your hair. If you have naturally straight hair and you just want something quick to just kind of freshen up your hair in the morning, this would be nice because it literally takes 2 seconds. So I just think this would be really nice for everybody. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is crazy. People never believe me when I say I have naturally curly hair, but this is what it looks like when I'm fresh out of the shower. I didn't do anything to it. I literally just let it air dry while I did my makeup and everything. So this is like what my natural crazy curly hair looks like with like no product or anything. I wanted to do this video straight from like curly hair and not like have it like round brush straight like I normally do, because I want to see how this like brush, since it's meant to straighten your hair, works on curly hair, because obviously if I'm straightening already straight hair, that's not really going to do much. I wanted to just start it from my crazy curls, which are really hard to even straighten with really good straightening iron. So we'll definitely see if this does the trick. So I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair. Start off with like this much hair and just brush it through. I'm gonna do it kind of slowly because, you know. Oh, and look at that, it's pretty straight. It's so cool because it's like you're just brushing your hair, but it's like straightening it at the same time. It's not pulling out any of my hair. It's very like gentle and comfortable in the hair. I don't feel like my hair is getting pulled out at all. It's definitely really different from like anything I've tried before because it's like you're brushing your hair to straighten it. It's just, I don't know, it's really cool. Wow, that actually worked really well because as you can see, my hair is just crazy. Like there's like, look at that. It's just, ugh. But literally, look at that. Very smooth. Very straight. Probably get the ends a little bit better. There you go. That's what it looks like. Super straight and very smooth. It works really nice. It's so easy to use. It definitely works better if you do it like by kind of like small little sections, but this is what it looks like, just kind of brushing out the whole section just really like quickly. And look at that. Like literally, like, I know it doesn't look perfect, but like if I had to be out the door, like I could go from crazy hair to like very tamed hair just by brushing it really quickly. It definitely is, you get better results going like section by section. Look at that. That literally took like not even 5 minutes. Now that I've pretty much done each piece individually, I think I'm just going to go ahead and go back and just kind of do like a nice little bit just kind of over the rest of my hair. Like right here, my hair gets really curly, kind of like at the roots. So I think like kind of just brushing over the back of it right there will get those kind of like hard to reach places. The only tricky part for me would be the ends because my ends are pretty curly and it's kind of hard to get like the ends completely straight because you're just kind of brushing them. There you go. So that is like the final result. As you can see, my hair definitely like, this is crazy. Like I literally, I'm gonna see how long. It literally took me like less than 5 minutes to go from crazy curly hair to very straight hair, and it was like super easy. I definitely think the brush is a lot faster to use than just like straightening it. And it gets your hair really, really, really straight. I mean, like it would, like I would maybe go just back over the ends with like a straightening iron or something like that because the ends are a little bit tricky. But other than that, like this took me significantly less time than a straightening iron like would. And I got very, very similar results. I think if you have really fuzzy kind of curly hair, like how mine was like really fuzzy, that you might have to go over it a few more times than somebody that already has like my sister has naturally pretty straight hair when she gets out of the shower. It's got like a little bit of a wave to it, so it's not like 100% straight, but it's pretty straight compared to like my hair. Somebody like her could just brush through it like once or twice and be good to go, and it would be like literally get your hair done in like 2 minutes, and it would be really convenient. If you do have like curlier hair like me, I think you have to work at it just a tiny bit more, but still it's, you know, I got my hair very straight very easily in a very short amount of time. So I would definitely recommend it. I am like really surprised because I was kind of scared to do this video and try this out because I didn't know how well this would work. Like I was kind of like a brush, straighten your hair, like I know it's heated, but like I just didn't know how the brush would get it so straight, but it actually really worked very well. I am very like pleasantly surprised with the results I got from this brush. So that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Follow me on social media, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!